In the last video of this particular series, we found Mr. Getty in the sales and prospects group by doing a search and edit, and we completed the contact section of the work order. In this particular portion, what we're going to do now is we're going to complete the billing section of this work order. So instead of transferring all of the data from the sales and contact section or sales contact information, what it does is it leaves this empty and it gives you the opportunity to simply press the copy contact information. So now what you see is that it has transferred the first name, the last name, the city, state, zip, phone number, and all that kind of stuff to the program. Then the next section of this has you identify which billing company you're going to actually ascribe this particular customer to. You can, in fact, select NewCo or you can select DemCo. If your company is currently set up to be able to handle more than one company or is required to handle customers from multiple companies, this is where you make that determination. That's right there. The next item that we select is the sales tax. Now, this isn't the sales tax for internet service because for most places in the country, internet service is not taxable. There are a few exceptions. There are 6, in fact, exceptions to that rule. However, this particular sales tax is the tax that's associated with purchasing something like, I don't know, purchasing a router or something. So if the customer purchases a router, this is the sales tax that would be applied to that particular purchase. I can go through here and I can switch off or I can select the means by which the customer is going to receive his invoice or statement. I have several options. I can mail an invoice, I can mail a statement, I can email an invoice, or I can email a statement. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and just email a statement to the particular customer. This is a default setting, and we can set these settings. This invoice day and this charge date are default settings, and we can set up those numbers when we first do the setup on your program. But in this particular instance, the invoice date for this customer is the 20th of the month. The charge date's the 1st, and we're going to prorate the installation between today and the 1st of the month, and we're going to charge the customer accordingly for those for that usage. And then we're going to go ahead and give this customer, this is JP Getty, and so we're going to go ahead and give Mr. Getty a portal username, so we'll just make it JP. There's the username for entry into the portal, and the password is millionaire. Okay, and then last but not least, on the billing section, you get to choose the payment method for the customer. So in this particular case, credit card debit automatically came up. It has an invalid credit card number identified, and as you enter the credit card number, when you get finished entering the credit card number, if the number is correct, you actually got it off of a credit card, then it will show that that number is actually correct, and this invalid credit card number nomenclature will disappear. The expiration date goes in as you would expect. You pick a month, you put in a year, 2024 or whatever the case might be. 2025, and then last but not least, you can put in the CVV. Now, if you choose not to use a credit card, you want to use an electronic check. When you put in an electronic check, it's going to be looking for the routing number on the check, and then the account number on the check. And then last but not least, if you put in a check, what it's going to do is it's going to select check, and there won't be any of those other boxes down there. So that's it. That's all there is to the billing section. Thank you.